Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a new blank page to your existing PDF documents online in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the PDF editor you're using. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, navigate to the given document. And in this case here, you will need to access the document editor in the top right. And from here, click into the new page button in the top left corner to add a completely new page to your document. Here, for example, new page. Now, you can, for example, click into it and then move its position by clicking into move here and change the position after. For example, if you'd like to move it 2 positions, press 2, click move, or you may simply no, it doesn't work like this, so we'll need to use that option here. But you can also use these buttons, move before, move after, to change its position 1 to the right or 1 to the left. That's it. Don't forget to save your changes. And now here to the left in the overview, we'll see the new blank page added to your PDF document. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.